So hi, Scott Fraser here, and I'm here with Jeff Giltrap, one of our customers who recently purchased an Autel EVO drone.
Yeah, so we've got 76 hectares here. It's a very long, narrow block. Probably half of it is just a rolling hill with some steeper bluffs in there. So it's not always safe to drive bikes over.
How do the cows react to having the drone in close proximity?
They'll just move slowly in front of it, and I can sit, 20 meters off the back of them and follow them along, and they're absolutely fine with that.
And it's possible to muster the cows along with it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You can corral them into a corner, or move them out through a gate and up the race, and there's no issue at all. And it just has enough noise in it to make them aware that it is there. They generally don't go out behind it.
How often do you find yourself using the drone?
We're using it at least twice a week for a variety of applications, from grass monitoring to moving cows and checking crop. So I find it really convenient to go out and move cows off steep ground where there's a safety issue with bikes and dogs get tired. Then also we use it for checking down cows or sick cows. You can get right up to them, check their tag number. If it's a calving issue, you can see what it is without actually going to the paddock and disturbing them. I do a fly around. If we have a water issue, I can fly the whole farm in about 15 minutes and check the water tank up the top. It would normally take at least an hour to do a circuit on the quad bike. You can hone and see the ball cock, see if there's water tipping out of the trough, and then go out and fix that one rather than doing a full lap. The drone's great for checking the maize. There's a large area there, 20 odd hectares, and you just cannot see it from a fence, whereas you get above it and you can see any area that's not growing or perhaps has had wayward stock in it or needs attention. And it's a very fast way. Within 5 minutes, you can have zipped around the crop and checked its condition.
Have you been able to use the drone for checking your pasture cover?
Oh, absolutely. We use that regularly, and that's at least once a week. I can go over the flats at about 6 meters high, and you can see what's in each paddock. We use it for checking our crops and the chicory. You can see if there's any areas of issue in there.
You mentioned that you've used the drone to track down wayward animals.
Oh, absolutely. It's real quick. I made a couple of phone calls to a neighbour on the other side of us here. He said it's not there, they must be over that way. So within 10 minutes you can cover a large area with the drone and see where an animal is, and that's exactly what we did. I just had to ring the neighbour and say, well, you've got some animals over there of ours. He said, no, I don't think so. I said, yeah, you have. I've got them here on photo.
So what would you say to other farmers who were considering looking at a drone?
You want something that's really simple to use, that's really robust, and this is all of those things. You can just pull it out of the box and fly it, and the EVO's got that in the bag, really. Quite literally, it's in a bag.